Welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna have a quick, just a quick video, shop update. Let's get into it. So, it's been a while. Unfortunately, it's not that I haven't been doing anything at all in the shop. I've actually been very, very busy in the shop. However, just nothing worth physically making content on unless you'll want to watch me welding for hours on end on scrap metal. It just hasn't really been worth it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to give you a little brief shop update just so we can, you can catch up and see where we're at, and it'll also get things rolling again. Hopefully by next video that comes out I should hopefully have a little bit more progress and something to kind of show you. Touch wood anyway. So yeah, it's just literally just a catch up video. Would you get straight into it? So as you can see, there's quite a bit's changed in the shop. This is just a temporary little station I've got set up temporarily, because it's a temporary station, set up just literally to practice my welding, my TIG welding, because we have an Artec AC/DC TIG 161, TIG welder and obviously stick welder as well. I believe the two normally come hand in hand. So yeah, I have done a course on this before, but I am just kind of getting the grips with it again. 2 seconds, we'll pop a light on for you. Yeah, so I am just getting the grips with it again. Obviously the idea is I'm going to improve my welding, get my welding up to a decent condition, ready for the future projects coming through. Quickly looking around the rest of it, there's very little, if anything's changed around here. Moved a couple of bits around. However, biggest change to the shop itself is over here. Now if you remember rightly in the old videos, this wall was just, I had like a weird wood rack thing up there, this shelving unit was out the front, and I had nothing but basically crap all down here. So what I've done is we've basically built me and Mr. Chucky have built a nice bench down here, so we've got a little bit more added workspace and somewhere to stash the multiple of engines that I seem to be gathering. Little small bit of bench space, but it's handy, you know. Couple of bits of shelving, so we can get stuff sorted, get stuff organised a little bit more. It's all, with it being a small shop, it's all 90% of it's about organisation, to be fair. So yeah, so I'm absolutely over the moon with that. Unfortunately, that meant though, there's a lot more stuff has gone. You like that? This is new as well. But yeah, there's a lot more stuff's gone upstairs. So upstairs has now turned from basically a clean workshop into, you can't even see, a clean workshop into just a storage workshop, but you know, that's that. I've had a lot of yous asking us about the blue SRI lately. Well, this is it. We are literally, I've moved it out of the back of the shop into the front of the shop just purely to get, we're moving it away into a little bit longer term storage, because this project for now is on hold. Just for now, as I say, got a few bits and bobs stashed on the inside because obviously storage space seems to be at a premium. 90% of the welding is done on this. There is, well, 90% of the welding that needs to be done on this is actually done on this. The only parts I've got left to do is around this back corner. I've got this far side sill to do, and this far side sill to do it around this arch. Basically, that's all that's left to do on this. But yeah, as I say, we're putting it into storage. Got to just store it away a little bit longer, a couple of years or so, or certainly until time I get the other jobs done that I need to get done. So that's what's happened with that. That's why it's moved to the front, so I can hopefully get this out, and I'll be able to get this one back in. So yeah, result. Right, now what can I say about this? Feeling really sorry for itself. It's covered in bloody cobwebs and, oh, it's just not looking good at all, is it? It's just not pretty. We did a show with her last month, just at the end of last month. It was a good show, run down, run back. Would have been ideal had it not have been for the rain, but you know, you can't make up for the weather. However, the car's not been cleaned. As you can see, the car's not been cleaned since I got it back. She is on the cards for a rebuild, but obviously at the minute I need a car that I can use and run around in. I do have a show coming up at the end of next month, I believe, if memory serves us correct. So I've got a few jobs that I need to get done to that, just purely to make it usable again, because I'm finding my I've still got the original plastic rotor covers on the V6 and they are leaking oil something chronic. I'm literally burning through, well, not burning, I'm leaking through about a litre of oil per show at the minute, per trip, which is not the best way to be on. So what I've done is I have purchased, thank you very kindly Andy Cummins, I've purchased a pair of aluminium covers. Now the long-term goal obviously would be to actually move this filler neck down to here where it needs to be, so the cover, the V6 cover, will actually fit, because on the plastic covers the filler neck's about there and this doesn't exist. So I can still use this, but I've got to put the cover on, but every time I need to top it up I take the cover off. Bit of a ball ache, but it is what it is. But yeah, long-term goal eventually, once I can with the help of this, I'll be able to move that over to here, so that'll all be good. So I'll be able to still use the original cover. But yeah, these don't warp like the other ones do, so I'm literally just waiting on the gasket sets coming for them, because obviously I've got to take the inlet manifold off. I think I was originally going to vapor blast, to get these vapor blasted so that they were clean and shiny. However, the more I'm thinking about it, I think I may just powder coat them. Two reasons. One, I can do it myself in-house with the powder coater and the oven setup, which will keep costs down just purely for just to get it done kind of job. But secondly, once I do the rebuild on the engine and put my 3.2 in, 3.2, I will get the whole lot. I'll get the heads vapor blasted and that there as well, so it'll all be matched through. So yeah, so I'm thinking I'm just probably trying to powder coat these for now. Yeah, so hopefully get them done on that. There's a video coming up soon on it. As I say, I just need to get round to getting it started, getting it done. Ideally, I would like this to be moved first, so I can get this in, so I'm not working outside. Working on this one. But yeah, as I say, there's big plans for this one coming up in the future, so stay tuned. That's where we're going with that one. What can I say? She's finally down on the floor. We have, as rough as it is, it's literally on a pallet with a couple of caster wheels underneath, just so that I can move it around still, as you can see, just so I can move it around for now. Ideally, I'm going to get it pulled out this next week or two. I'm going to get it pulled out and sat back in about here. I need to make a jig up for it, which that's the idea of the frame there. So it's basically just a simple set of box sections welded in a square, some adjustable clamps up over, so I can clamp it onto the sill, so I can adjust the angle of it, so I can keep it sort of perfectly parallel. And I'm hoping for some retractable wheels, so I can actually wheel it out to where I need it to be, drop the wheels out so that it lands on these little feet, sits steady, so I've got a steady platform to work on. Then obviously just adjust these wherever I need to be to make the car perfectly level. So that, hopefully that is going to be coming up some point in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, that's where this is. So hopefully, I'm looking at by the end of next month, check the schedule, end of September is my goal, for to have the floor out in this. Once the floor's out, it's going to be a simple matter of using my affordable bender, bending some tubes up and getting her welded in. Hopefully as well by then I'll be certainly comfortable enough using the TIG welder to be able to actually do some nice welds. And then hopefully, as I say, once it starts framing up, then we're all ready for the K20 to go in. So yeah, hopefully there's going to be big progress on this one very soon. Right, apologise, this one's just been a talking video. I haven't really getting anything done on it. It is literally just been a shop update, just to sort of fill you in, let you know where we are, because there's been so many changes have been made here in the last week or two. I'll be honest with you, I'm trying my hardest to keep track of it myself more than anything else. As I say, hopefully once the blue SRI gets shifted out of here, that should clear up a little bit of space, and then I can kind of see back where I'm at again. As I say, the plan is the wide-bodied Nova at some point over the next month and a half will be starting to get some progress made on that. I know I keep promising it, but yeah, all the pieces are finally starting to come together now. As I say, we've got the welder there, so that's why there's been no update videos, purely because there's been nothing really exciting to show other than me failing at making beautiful stacked dime wells, as they call them. So yeah, so anyway, apologies, as I say, it hasn't been much of a video this time. Just kept it short and sweet. Just let you guys know that I'm still here. I haven't given up on you, and I will still keep producing content for the foreseeable future. Thanks for watching. We will catch you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you haven't, then tell us what I'm doing wrong. You know, I'll make changes for you if that's what you need. That's what you require. That's what you'll get. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time. Cheers.